fix it.
Next thing that can be done here is install solar cells. One of the biggest challenges nowadays in the entire world is to fight the global warming. There are new modern ways to do it, and one of them is the solar panels. Depending on each case, you can save up to 100% of your electricity consumption without environmental impact, and even sell the leftovers to your government. In the case of our customer, it is a bit more difficult because his terrace is surrounded by buildings, which is making shadow almost all day long. To install solar cells in his case is a bit risky because the payoff period can be too long. Regarding the speed that the solar industry is developing, the best solution in his case could be to invest in solar energy community. For these of you who don't know what solar energy community is, I'll give an example with my customer. As I already told you, his apartment is surrounded by buildings and they're forming shadow during the biggest part of the day. There are a lot of people in this or similar situation, and they're forming communities and together are searching for solutions. The first solar energy community in Mallorca already have their own solar field on the roof of big warehouse in Binissalem. I did research, but in radius of 2 kilometers there is no another solar energy community yet. So the company I contact with will put our customer in a waiting list, and as soon as they find more people in this area, the company will contact me and will arrange this or his participation. So he and his family can take the benefits of the renewable energy projects.